In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a 100% save file in Assassin's Creed Revolutions. Check my video description for this two download link. Once download done, right click on this AC save tool and select WinRAR and select extract to. Do the same thing for the save file. Once extract done, open the AC save tool and open the exe. In encryption ID, click on the three dot icon and navigate to a current game location. If you can't find the current game location, then check my video description for this save file path. Navigate to this path. In my case, it's in C drive, users, username, app data, roaming, theta, orbit 40, and this is my game progress. Select the current game progress and select open option. In save files, select the open option and navigate to downloads and open the downloaded files. Select these two files and select open option. Select convert, done. Convert as done. Close tab here and go back to downloads. Open the 100% save file folder. This is the converted save files. Just right click inside copy and you need to navigate to your current save file location. Press Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Go back to app data and open roaming, open theta, orbit 40. Before pasting the 100% save, you need to back up your game progress. Right click on blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder backup. And drop this save inside this backup and paste the 100% save in this location and launch the game. Select story mode and you can able to see Martin 100% save. Select the save. And the save file is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.